Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform soft reset for your earbuds EDIFIER X5 Pro. To perform a soft reset, firstly you need to put your earbuds to the charging case. Next, close the case. And now your earbuds are disconnected from your phone. We can check it in the settings, so open it and then go to the connected devices or Bluetooth. And if you have iOS, you will see that there is no connection. If you have Android, it will move from My Devices to Save Devices, also meaning that your earbuds are disconnected from your phone. After that, we need to open the charging case, and your earbuds will reconnect to your phone. And right here we have information that is connected. If you have Android, it will return to My Devices from Save Devices. And with this method, you can fix a lot of small trouble with your earbuds. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!